Hello, and welcome to the Low Impact Hydropower Institute Certificate Holder Toolkit tutorial, your guide to getting the most out of your certification. As a LIHI certified facility, you're part of a community committed to producing renewable energy while protecting rivers, ecosystems, and public interests. Whether you've just achieved certification or have been part of the program for years, the Certificate Holder Toolkit has something for you. It provides practical guidance and tools to help you maintain compliance, share your achievements, and make the most of your certification, including resources, templates, and messaging you can use right away. In this tutorial, we'll walk through every section of the toolkit so you know exactly where to turn when you need it. We recommend bookmarking it and keeping it accessible for your whole team throughout your certification term and into recertification. Here's what's inside and what we'll cover today. A program fact sheet explaining LIHI's mission and certification criteria, compliance quick guide to help you maintain certification, guidance on leveraging your certification and funding and regulatory processes, a community engagement and communications messaging guide, and finally, templates and resources for press releases, social media posts, and more. The first tool we will explore is the program fact sheet. The program fact sheet is your quick reference for understanding who LIHI is as an organization and why certification matters. Use it when you're onboarding new staff, briefing partners, or need a concise overview to share with stakeholders. The mission, vision, and 6 core values are woven into every aspect of the certification program. Understanding them helps you communicate why certification is meaningful and how it connects to broader environmental goals. Remember that your LIHI certification is more than a credential. It's a mark of integrity, stewardship, and accountability. The next tool we will discuss is the Compliance Quick Guide. Maintaining your certification requires ongoing compliance with the LIHI Handbook and certificate conditions. The Compliance Quick Guide breaks this down into 4 manageable areas: annual reporting, notification requirements, midterm reviews, and recertification. In short, each year, certificate holders must submit an annual compliance statement confirming that the facility operated in accordance with the certification criteria. If LIHI identifies material changes through annual review, such as structural modifications, major environmental changes, a new FERC license, or amendment, a midterm review may be triggered. You'll have 3 to 6 months to provide documentation, and the process includes public notice and comment. As a general rule of thumb, you must notify LIHI of any operational or regulatory changes to ensure records remain accurate. Certificates are valid for 10 to 15 years. The recertification process begins 6 to 9 months before expiration when LIHI sends a renewal notice. The process also includes a review and public comment period. If you're undergoing FERC relicensing, LIHI may extend your certification term by 1 year. For fee details, visit lowimpacthydro.org/LIHI fee structure. We encourage you to review this quick guide in detail with relevant team members. It's essential that compliance is met throughout your certification term. Failure to do so could result in corrective actions ranging from a written notice to termination of certification. But have no fear. If you have any questions, contact the Certification Program Director for further assistance. When in doubt, reach out. Now let's talk about leveraging your certification. Your certification is a strategic asset. The infographics in this section of the toolkit show you how to leverage your certification to strengthen grant and funding applications, support regulatory filings and permit renewals, demonstrate verified environmental performance, and enhance the market value of renewable energy credits. For instance, many state, federal, and private funding programs prioritize verified environmentally friendly practices. Certification may improve your project's competitiveness for clean energy grants and river restoration partnerships, demonstrate compliance with performance metrics or environmental, social, and governance metrics, showing alignment with federal and state renewable energy goals. Another potential added benefit as a certificate holder is qualification for renewable energy credits, or RECs. LIHI certification and RECs work together. Certification verifies environmental stewardship. RECs verify renewable generation attributes. In the compliance market, LIHI certification is required to qualify for RECs used to meet renewable portfolio standards in Vermont, Massachusetts, Delaware, Pennsylvania, and Oregon. In the voluntary market, certification may help open doors to programs such as RE100, Green E, and the EPA's Green Power Partnership. Ultimately, your certification is more than a mark of recognition. It's an investment in renewable energy, responsible river stewardship, and your project's strategic goals. This concludes Part 1 of LIHI's Certification Program Toolkit tutorial. In Part 2, we'll cover the Community Engagement Guide, Communications and Messaging Guide, and Resources section. You can find Part 2 in LIHI's digital library.